Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can create Viewpager in Android. So let's start. First create a So here I have some basic code, main activity and activity main.xml. So I will create a Viewpager XML element here, Viewpager, and height, match parent, and width will be match parent, and assign an ID pager. So now go to main activity.java and create object private Viewpager mPager and find view by ID mPager, find view by ID r.id.pager. So this is the simple thing that we have done. We created an XML file and use Viewpager element, and then in the main activity we reference it from the find view by ID. The next step is to create a fragment. So I will click new fragment and blank fragment, and I will click finish. So it gives me some code. I will accept that and go to main activity, and here I need to create a pager adapter. So I will create a private class pager adapter. So basically we will create an activity that have 1, 2 or 3 or more fragments in a Viewpager. So once we will complete it, you can see that how Viewpager works and how fragment can integrate into Viewpager. So here we are creating a pager adapter and extending from fragment state pager adapter. Now I will implement some methods and create constructor. So in the get item I will return the fragment. So the fragment will be blank fragment dot new instance, and I will pass param1 a position. So let's change it. When I will create a new instance, I need only one argument. In the new instance, this is the I need only one parameter. So that's it, and it will be integer. Put int. So this will be the position where I am in the Viewpager. Get count. So here I will provide how much pages that I need. So I will choose 3. I need 3 pages. So now create object from pager adapter pager adapter. Adapter is equal to new pager adapter, and pass argument get stored fragment manager, and mpager dot set adapter will be that set adapter will be that adapter. So here I have created an pager adapter, and in the get item I have returned that instance of that fragment that I want to show, and in the on create I set the adapter for that pager adapter that I have in the view. So in the blank fragment I need to change the view. So in the fragment blank I have a text view. I will change something here. I will add an ID of TV, and font size and text size will be 30 sp, and gravity will be center. So here it is, hello blank fragment. So now I want to show the page name that I am using in the pager adapter instead of that hello blank fragment. So I will return a view from here, view, and I will return that view, and in that view I will reference the text view that hello blank fragment. This is a text view by find view by id. So view dot find view by id r dot id dot tv, and a text view I will get a text view tv, and I will tv dot set text according to that mprem1. So mprem1 is the argument that I am getting from the main activity, and this parameter having the value of pager, the position which I am in the pager adapter. So it will be int. I will convert to string by string dot value of this. It will be converted from integer to string so that I can show by text. So here I am passing the position. This is the position that the view pager is on at the current moment, and here I am displaying that. So I will run onto my device and I will show you how it is looking in the actual app. So I am getting the value by null. So rprem1 get string. It should be get int, because by default it is int, and m'1 will be an integer. Let's check it again. So this is the view. When I will swipe from left to right, you can see 0, 1 and 2. If I want to change the count, I can change the count by 10. And I can change the value by +1. So it can start from 1, not from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. So these are fragments that I am showing by swiping from left to right. So I hope this code give you an idea that how you can use pager adapter or Viewpager in the Android app, and now you can extend it to the further if you want to show some pictures, some object values in it. So I hope I will show you the advanced version, but this is the simple version, so I can show you how you can use a basic Viewpager adapter or Viewpager in the Android by using fragments. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share it to the Android